So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to reset iPhone Notes password if it's forgotten. So starting off, you will need to go to your settings. So let's open up settings. Then scroll all the way down until you get to your apps section. Open up that. And from that point, you can just scroll down until you get to your notes. So once you are at the letter N, so you can see the N right here and click on Notes. Once you're here, you can see your Notes accounts. You can see Notes to access. You can see default account, and then you can see password. So once if you've forgotten your password, you can just choose that option. So click on that. And once you've clicked on that, you'll need to choose the specific Notes account you want to change. Then tap Reset Password. And you just need to click on you will get a prompt to put in your iOS, or rather your iPhone password for your entire device, so that the app, or rather in this case settings, knows that it's actually you that's trying to recover your password. So even if you've forgotten your password, you don't have to worry that much about it. You can always change it or reset it if you've done that. Just make sure that you don't forget your device's password as well. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on iPhone Notes or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.